Hi, this is Andy Flipiak in Toronto for the week of April the 16th. Given all the volatility in the market since the start of this year, there's been no discernible trend. Markets for equity prices are generally flat, but we've been up and down a tremendous amount. One area where there's a clear trend is on the US yield curve, specifically the difference between the 2-year and the 10-year Treasury bonds. Currently, the 2-year yields 2.4% or 2.41%, and the 10-year at 2.84. The spread is roughly 43 basis points. Now, normally, when the Federal Reserve is tightening like we're seeing now, interest rates or the interest rate spread between the 2 and the 10 expands. It gets wider. But what we've seen this year is the exact opposite. It's been narrowing. And in fact, historically, whenever the yield curve narrows below 50 basis points, the odds are fairly high that the yield curve will invert. Now what that means is that the 2-year Treasury would have a higher yield than the 10-year. And normally what we see when this happens is a recession occurs in the next 6 to 9 months. Now this is very problematic because currently the Federal Reserve intends to raise interest rates further this year and next year. Now if they raise just 2 more times 50 basis points, at current yields we will be in an inverted yield curve. So this trend bears watching because the last thing financial markets need or can withstand now is an economic recession in the US. It definitely bears watching. And thank you for watching.